Mercia and Northumbria declared for him, and even Stygand. Alice.
Harness me.
And even Stygand, the Archbishop of Canterbury, agreed to meet with William and offer him the crown. William's conduct at first was moderate. Alice, will you kindly pay attention to your history lesson?
I'm sorry, but how can one possibly pay attention to a book with no pictures in it?
My dear child, there are a great many good books in this world without pictures.
In this world, perhaps. But in my world, the books will be nothing but pictures.
Your world? What nonsense. Now,
Nonsense.
once more, from the beginning.
That's it, Dinah. If I had a world of my own, everything would be nonsense. Nothing would be what it is, because everything would be what it isn't. And contrariwise, what it is, it wouldn't be. And what it wouldn't be, it would. You see? In my world, you wouldn't say, meow. You'd say, yes, Miss Alice. Oh, but you would. You'd be just like people, Dinah. And all the other animals, too. Why, in my world, cats and rabbits would reside in fancy little houses and be dressed in shoes and hats and trousers. In a world of my own, all the flowers would have very extra special powers. They would sit and talk to me for hours when I'm lonely in a world of my own. There'd be new birds, lots of nice and friendly howdy-do birds. Everyone would have a dozen bluebirds within that world of my own. I could listen to a babbling brook and hear a song that I could understand. I keep wishing it could be that way, because my world would be a wonderland. Oh, Dinah, it's just a rabbit with a waistcoat and a watch.
Oh, my dear biscuit, I'm late.
This is curious. What could a rabbit possibly be late for? Please, sir!
I'm late. Very important day. No time to say hello, goodbye. I'm late.
It must be awfully important, like a party or something. Mr. Rabbit, wait!
No, I'm overdue. I'm really in a stew. No time to say goodbye. Hello, I'm late.
My, what a peculiar place to have a party. You know, Dinah, we really shouldn't be doing this. After all, we haven't been invited.
Why don't you try the bottle on the table?
Table? Oh,
Read the directions, and directly you'll be directed in the right direction.
drink me. Better look first, for if one drinks much from a bottle marked poison, it's almost certain to disagree with one sooner or later.
Beg your pardon.
I was just giving myself some good advice. But, tastes like cherry tart, custard, pineapple, roast turkey. Goodness! What did I do?
You almost went out like a candle.
But look, I'm just the right size.
Oh, no use. I forgot to tell you. I'm locked.
Oh,
But of course, you've got the key, so... Now, don't tell me you left it up there.
no. Oh, dear. Whatever will I do?
Try the box, naturally.
Oh, goodness knows what this will do. Whoa, 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 whoa. What did you say?
I said a little of that went a long way.
Well, I don't think it's so funny. No, let me go.
Now, try it, won't help.
I just don't.
Hey, this won't do. Walk to a door. Oh, look, the bottle, the bottle.
Dear, I do wish I hadn't cried so much.
And I never, never, ever do a thing about the weather. Never, ever was a thing for me. Oh, a sailor's life is a life for me. And I never know. Ahoy! Another nautical expression. Land ho, by Jove.
Where am I, Dodo?
Dodo?
3 points to starboard. Put away, me hearties. Have your port and no time at all now. Oh, you
Mr.
know.
Dodo? Please help me. Pardon me, but would you mind helping me?
I see! You'll never get dry that way.
Get dry?
Have to run with the other. First rule of the caucus race, you know.
But how can I?
That's better. Have you dry in no time now?
No one can ever get dry this way.
Nonsense! I'm as dry as a boat already.
Yes, but
All right, chaps. Point of take. Nothing could be drier than a jolly caucus race. A backward, forward, upward, inward, bottom to the top. But never a beginning, there can never be a stop. Fancy being dead. But Tom isn't too calm, but you did it yesterday. Round and round and round we go again forevermore. Once more the eye, until we find we are moving on. Backward, inward, outward, come and join the cheese. Nothing could be drier than a jolly caucus race. A backward. I see. You'll never get dry that way.
get dry?
Have to run with the other. First rule of a caucus race, you know.
But how can I?
That's better. Have you dry in no time now?
No one can ever get dry this way.
Nonsense. I'm as dry as a boat already.
Yes, but
All right, chaps.
Thank you.